Pay close attention. Leica's iconic branding appears on the phone's back panel. This lens, I can turn it twice, and wow, it directly opens the camera. I can even rotate it to zoom. This is the Xiaomi 17 17 Ultra Leica Edition.
Everyone, take a look at the packaging box's surface. Xiaomi and Leica are both prominently featured, suggesting this collaboration is much more in-depth. On the side, it's printed Xiaomi 17 Ultra by Leica, and on the back, there's a quick release tab. Oh! Wow, this seal, you just pull it off like this, pull it straight up. On the first layer of the box's surface, there's a card here. Below it are printed the signatures of Leica Camera AG's global CEO and Mr. Lu. This has such a ceremonial feel to it. Oh, the phone. Let's put it aside for a moment and take a look at the accessories inside. First up, oh my goodness, this couldn't be a lens cap, could it? Ha! This is truly something else. Next up, this is a lanyard. It's clearly meant for the phone case. Oh wow, they even included a cloth for wiping the camera lens. This is the charger set, a 100-watt fast charging brick and an A to C data cable. And finally, let's take a look at the phone case itself.
Indeed, it's different from a standard phone case. This phone case features a two-tone color scheme, so you might guess my phone is an off-white color. And there's a Leica logo here. This Oreo-style lens ring, it can rotate. Hey, what does that mean? It means you'll find out when you see the phone later. The main thing is, this phone case is magnetic, see? Wow, this off-white is incredibly pale. First, let's look at the back panel. It features a dual material design with a lychee leather texture and a matte finish. Hey, it might not be very obvious when you look at it like this, right? So let's tilt it a bit. See it now? This feeling, it really gives off a camera vibe. And the main thing is, right here, it has a Leica logo. Friends, if I'm not mistaken, this must be the first time a Leica logo has appeared on a non-Leica mobile device, right? You'd instantly think it's quite expensive. And the lens module is still an Oreo design. The side frame features a finely carved knurled pattern, just like a camera's zoom ring. That twisting feel, it's very anti-slip, you know? And there's a string of English letters printed here. Leica Camera Gemini. What does that mean? Could someone translate? Anyway, it just feels really expensive. Now, let's put on the phone case so everyone can get a feel for it. Don't you think the camera module looks a lot smaller? But the zoom ring can still be used without any impacts. However, our main demonstration should be this lens cap. Doesn't this have a bit of that Leica camera feel, friends? The Leica edition Xiaomi 17 Ultra's first boot up. Hey, the Leica logo! After activating the phone, I found they actually created two separate themes. Let me first show you this Leica Vivid theme. First, here's the always on display. Tap to light it up and you enter the lock screen. Look, a custom wallpaper. Then, on the home screen, custom icons. It's that black and red color scheme. See? Let's switch to this Leica classic theme again for everyone to see. Oh, it actually just changed the wallpaper. Oh, could these two wallpapers be hinting at the two imaging styles it offers? When this phone is charging, they also created a separate animation, which I'd call the Leica charging animation. After all, it's a black and red color scheme, and it has something like a camera zoom scale on it. And the font in the middle is also custom design. Of course, I know what everyone's most interested in is the camera aspect. What's the difference from the standard version? The first point is this master zoom ring. As I showed you at the start, you can turn it left and right twice to open the camera, then slowly turn it to zoom in or out. And notice that while zooming, a unique small animation appears in the screen center. Beyond just zooming, if we open the master zoom ring settings, you'll see you can adjust zoom, switch focal lengths, EV, and filters. And for different photo modes, you can make different adjustment selections. When you rotate the zoom ring, it has an X-axis motor that simulates vibration. Inside, there are 20 ball bearings offering a huge advantage, precise zoom adjustment. Look, it's 1.3x now. I carefully turn it. 1.4. Oh, turn it again. 1.5. The biggest difference from a camera button is that with the button, you can't precisely control the zoom, but with this, you can. Also, when you have nothing else to do, just give it a spin. It's quite stress relieving. The second difference is that Xiaomi created a Leica Instant mode for its Leica edition. In it, you can simulate two cameras. One is the Leica M9 and the other is the Leica M3. Let me first show you the photos I took with the Leica M3. It's completely different from traditional black and white filters. It presents the relationship of different colors on the black and white brightness curve. Anyway, I took many photos with this Leica M3 and it just gave me The feeling is, even I, a complete novice, looking at photos he took, would sense that strong camera quality. If you zoom in, you can actually see the film grain. The Leica M9 offers a distinct CCD camera aesthetic. What's unique is that after taking a shot and entering the gallery, there's a Leica Moment feature. Tapping it uploads your photo to the cloud, analyzes it, then returns an image even closer to that camera feel. Xiaomi's team states their large model processes these photos using data exclusively from camera shots, making your phone's Leica Moment photos look more like they came from a camera.
This photo was taken with Leica one-shot M9 simulation, and this is after cloud processing. The third difference is the camera's UI and the zoom area, which differ from the standard version. Also, Xiaomi created a unique watermark for the Leica edition, which the regular version lacks. Another point is that in the standard version's photo interface, we know there's an icon here. If you tap it, you can switch filters and beauty modes, right?
But this Leica version, look, there's a Leica STO here. Click it. Don't understand the English? No problem. Click the exclamation mark and it tells you what kind of photos this style suits. Look, there are comparisons left and right. Wow, it feels so professional. The fourth difference, I think, is very important for image creators.
In the camera settings, they've created a content credential being read and pause face at same by Third, look, there's signed content here. You can open it. I took and pause for the copyright statement. I've said no commercial use. So pause. My understanding is that your photos belong only to you, protecting yourself. Understand?
Oh, no longer afraid of others stealing my pictures. My view on this phone is that it's an imaging flagship. To get to where it is today, you can't avoid using this Oreo design. But if they're all Oreos, all with flat screens, and all with right-angle frames, how can they provide you with emotional value?
So Xiaomi's choice was to give you the Leica version. Do you all think they managed to do it?